Well, you know, you get some useful fractions when you divide things in half. Draw a straight line on your graph paper, right on the blue line. Now pick your starting point and let's count 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now mark your starting point as 0. That represents 0 on the number line. Your end point as 1. That's 1 on the number line. Now we're looking at numbers that fall between 0 and 1 on the number line. And if we count 8 squares, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, this number is halfway between 0 and 1, and this is the number 1/2. Now, when you take half of a half, you get fractions that work well together. Half of a half is, well, this is 8 wide, so I'm going to go 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This number that's half of a half is 1/4, which means 1/2 is the same as 2/4. This is 2/4. Now we'll go 1, 2, 3. We'll go to the halfway point here. This is 3/4 or 3/4. And the number 1 is the same as 2/2, which is the same as 4/4. Those numbers work well together. We're just splitting things in half. Let's split the quarter in half. Half of a quarter is 1/8, which means a quarter is the same as 2/8. Between a quarter and a half, that's 3/8. Well, that means a half is the same as 4/8. What do you think's between the half and the 3/4? You guessed it, 5/8. That means that 3/4 is the same as 6/8. Now we're going to go halfway between 3/4 and a half. That's got to be 7/8, which means that 1 is the same as 8/8. So there you have it. You can go by halves. If you want to get fancier, you can go by quarters. If you want to get fancier, you can get by eighths. And they all line up just like this.